Samsung Galaxy's key features include processor, Qualcomm SM8475 Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 4 nanometers. RAM, 8GB RAM. Storage, 128 or 256 or 512 gigabytes. Display, 6.7 inches. Main camera 12 megapixels plus 12 megapixels. Battery, 3700 mAh, non-removable. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 was announced on August 10th and released to the market on 25th of August 2022 by Samsung Electronics.
The Samsung Z Flip 4 has a stunning 6.7 inches foldable dynamic AMOLED display that is perfect for watching videos, browsing the web, and playing games.
Galaxy Z Flip 4 is made up of a plastic front, a glass back and an aluminum frame. This phone uses the nano SIM card type. Z Flip 4 is also waterproof. That's right, you can take this phone in the shower or the pool and it will still work just fine. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is also dustproof and has a rating of IPX8, which means it can withstand depths of up to 1.5 meters, which is 4.9 feet, for up to 30 minutes. So if you're looking for a phone that can go anywhere and do anything, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is the one for you. Being one of the latest phones from Samsung with a foldable design. It has 8GB of RAM and variations of 128GB, 256GB and 512GB of storage. The phone has no external memory card slot. Camera setup of the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a big step up from the previous generation. The phone has a dual camera setup, with the main camera being 12 megapixels. And a single selfie camera of 10 megapixels. This gives the phone a lot more versatility when it comes to taking photos and videos. The camera is also able to record 4K videos. This is a big deal because it means that you'll be able to record videos that are almost as good as what you would get from a professional camera. The Z Flip 4 comes with the latest Android 12 operating system. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 has a 3700 mAh battery, which is slightly smaller than the batteries found in other flagship smartphones. However, this smaller battery is offset by the phone's more efficient processor and software optimizations. As a result, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 can still last all day long on a single charge. In our battery life test, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 lasted for 12 hours and 45 minutes. This is an impressive result, especially when you compare it to other phones on the market. This phone comes with 5G-enabled technology. This means you will have better speed and low latency using the smartphone. Samsung Z Flip 4 comes with new features that make it stand out from the previous models. One of the features it lacks is the headphone jack. This is a 3.5mm jack that allows you to connect your headphones directly to the phone.
The fingerprint sensor on Samsung Z Flip 4 is a new and innovative way to secure your device. With this new sensor, you can unlock your phone with your fingers. This new sensor is also more accurate than previous versions, so you can be sure that your phone is secure.
If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we release videos like this.